Can't believe what I did today. I broke the seal.
Woo, it's a little bit sunny out here. Anyways, what's up, Floaters Project on next year. First and foremost, I want to thank all of my new subscribers. You guys are awesome. Thank you for supporting my channel. It's nice to see that it's not just my wife watching these videos.
Yes, I am.
Thank you so much. That being said, it's about 30 something degrees out here in Delaware. Windy. The wind feels a little bit chilly for sure, but it's gonna be nice. It's gonna go up to like 47 or something like that. So I think I'm gonna take this time to finish up my board. I've been doing some upgrades on the Beast. And I say Beast because I think I'm gonna rebrand it. I'm not sure. As a Christian, that's a good name for my board. So anyways, stay tuned. I'm gonna go in my shed, which is here in the back, real quick, and start working on the boards. Alright, here it is. Here's my board, hardware 4212 Onewheel XR, named the Beast. So the idea behind the makeover is to install new rail guards, new rear concave foot pad, and inspect and clean all components. Let me know what will be a good name for this board. Wait until the end to see what it looks like, and let me know in the comments. Here we go. I started by removing the rail guards. These I got from Future Motion, awesome rail guards. The only tools that I used was a blow dryer and a knife. Alright, so you want to pull from right here. You just gotta be really careful because this is extremely sharp and it will definitely cut you.
I will cut you!
So as you can see, I was able to peel off the rail guards. However, all the adhesive stayed behind. And I had that mess to deal with. Super sticky and a big pain in the butt. Alright, so let me show you a little trick I just learned in the event that you don't have a Groovy gun, but you do have a blow dryer and you want to still be able to get that residue left behind from the Future Motion guardrails.
Or rail guards, whatever they call them.
Basically what you want to do is you want to heat up the glue and then just kind of roll it with your thumb. So let me show you.
You heat up a section and then you just roll it.
You need to push your finger really hard. You need to push. And right there, see on this. You need to push. You need to push with a blow dryer, with a knife. Stop it, blow dryer. Pull. You took one up. I gotta take the other one up. With the blow dryer. What's up? Hey guys. Okay, very good. Oh my god, this feels so much sticky. So much sticky. Push, push, push.
Here's how much glue I've taken off thus far. Of course, once I finished suffering and peeling all the adhesive off, I saw a video from the Float Life where they show a quick glimpse of them peeling adhesive off from another board using a drill and a drill bit. I will have to try this out next time because my fingers hurt. Yup, it hurts. So I continued taking apart my Onewheel, starting with the foot pads, the bumpers, and all that jazz. I'm not gonna tell you how to do it. There's plenty of videos out there on how to take apart the Onewheel. Anyway, so I found these containers at the dollar store, came in really handy. In order to disassemble the Onewheel, I did have to break the warranty sticker.
And boy, did that feel good.
Ooh, they put it extra tough. Let's put it to max.
I get to do it one more time.
Take this off. Why is it so tight? I'm thinking of gonna push. It's tough. Okay, it's coming off. Yay. Okay, cool. So much struggle.
The The only thing that I did not do is open up the battery and controller compartments. I figured there was no need for me to tamper with these compartments and the gasketing around it. Now if you look closely, you can see my tile sticker. I will be replacing this one with a new one. Now a lot of people have told me that
The Apple AirTag is better.
but in all honesty, I did some research on it and it is no different than the tile. It uses Bluetooth to basically sense the location of the sticker. So I'm not an Apple user, I use Android, so I'm sure for Apple, the Apple AirTag probably is a better option. So yeah, so I ended up cleaning all the components with this Dynature,
Danger alcohol.
I don't even know, bro.
and I also ended up picking up this silicone from Walmart and I used that to patch up the seam on the battery compartment just to make sure there was an extra seal there to prevent moisture from getting in there. Alright, so in order to give my Onewheel that extra personal touch, I went to Walmart and I picked up these painter's markers. I've used this before and I use this again to paint the hub and to paint my tire. So one of the other things that I did end up installing on the Onewheel is my bang bumpers. I waited for these a few weeks, so I did install those. Now one little thing to note is that the original Onewheel bumpers have this little tab that fills in a gap that you can see here, and the bank bumpers do not have that. So what I did end up doing is I ended up cutting that little tab off and I shoved it in there just to add that additional layer of strength. I'm not sure if it's needed or if it's even necessary. I figured if it's there before, why not put it back? Alright, so I continued putting my board back together and I did not run into any issues. Now one thing to know that nobody talks about is that before you try to screw anything into the threaded holes, clean them out first. I used a little bit of soap water and a straw cleaner to do this, and trust me that this made a heck of a difference. There was a few instances where I was having a hard time, and after this I had no problems.
Oh my gosh, I think I did it wrong. Let me look on YouTube. Oh my gosh, okay. I don't think it's working. Maybe it does. I don't even know. Oh my gosh.
Yo, I'm so excited because I finally finished working on my Onewheel and the sun might be coming out. So I'm really excited for you guys to see it. Check this out. I cannot decide whether to go with the orange or the yellow rail guards. So my son said, hey man, why not use both? So here we go, I decided that was a great idea. I think it looks really cool, awesome decision. As you can see, I also used the bike colors on the rim and I highlighted the tire just to show it off.
Better subscribe to my channel, guys, or I will call Nancy on you.